Hey, what is up, folks? Cereal aficionados. I have a brand new cereal that I'm going to try today. It is from Post Brand Cereals Mini Cinnamon Churros, family size. Tamano Familiar. Calories 130 calories, 170 with half cup of fat-free milk. Total fat 3 grams with an asterisk. Cholesterol 26 carbohydrates. Dietary fiber 2. It's got a little thing on here. This is a discontinued cereal that I found at Walmart. This expires September 12th, 2013. I had a churro once in Chicago at Navy Pier. That's what that looks like. More than half filled. Here's my bowl of milk. Smells like a churro. Oh yeah, strong cinnamony taste. That's a good thing. They look like a little bit of churros. They're just this round thing with a little circle in the middle. Let's try one. Tastes like an Applejack on crack. Let's try it. Definitely got that cinnamon flavor. This is a crunchy cereal. If you have sensitive teeth, I don't know if it's for you. It's not hard, but it's crunchy. I like the taste. It's got a good taste. Too bad it's discontinued in my area. Give it a thumbs up. It's not an overwhelmingly sweet taste, but it's got, add a little sugar, Splenda, sweet and low, whatever. So, give it a thumbs up. I'd buy it again. Post Cinnamon Churros. Yeah, we got some little questions on the side for kids. I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to say if you have any suggestions for cereals you want me to check out, other food types you want me to try out, hot sauce, beef jerky, whatever. If you got coupons for stuff, if you want to send me stuff, let me know. Yeah, appreciate you watching my videos as always. Hit that little thumbs up, subscribe, like, share. I'll do the same for you. Have a good day.